Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will talk about what are Algorand standard assets. Let's understand as to what are digitized assets. We know that everyone around us has been talking about asset digitization and blockchain, right? So what is a digitized asset? A digitized asset is nothing but a physical or an analog asset that has a digital footprint. Real world assets on the blockchain can be represented by digital tokens. There are several advantages to having digitized assets, such as partial ownership of the asset, fast and easy payments, and the assets can be traded without any hassle on the blockchain. What are the current challenges in the asset digitization ecosystem? There are three primary things if we look at it, right? The first one is access to both global and digital markets. The second and one of the biggest challenges is instantaneous settlement. With a lot of blockchain frameworks having digitized assets, it is also important to see if the settlements are instantaneous and if there is finality. There are also certain administrative challenges associated with asset digitizations, such as compliance and reporting. Well, this is where Algorand comes into picture. Algorand has Algorand Standard Assets, also abbreviated as ASAs, right? The asset tokenization on Algorand will solve the challenges mentioned in the previous slide and also benefit from increased core security, simplified usage, and transaction finality on a high performance blockchain. The ability for transactions to happen within 4 to 5 seconds on the Algorand blockchain makes it a great platform for creating assets. Let's see what are Algorand standard assets. They are fast and secure because they are directly created on layer 1. There's low execution cost for trading the assets on the Algorand blockchain thanks to the extremely low transaction fees on the Algorand blockchain framework. The issuance of the assets for both enterprise and startup purposes is extremely easy and simple on the Algorand blockchain framework. Let's look at what are some exciting use cases. So here is the website where you can go and get more information about Algorand standard assets in layer 1. I've already spoken about some of the challenges that digitization of assets face in today's world. There's also a section on unique functionality of the Algorand standard assets that you can take a look. I've already spoken about the differentiators being fast and secure, low cost to execute, easy and simple asset issuance, as well as universal interoperability of all the assets issued on Algorand. Some of the most exciting use cases for the Algorand assets is asset tokenization, of course, on the blockchain, third-party asset issuance on Algorand, democratizing access to investments, as well as disintermediation of cross-border transactions. There are several types of assets that you can create on the Algorand blockchain. Here are some of the asset types. You can create fungible tokens as game points, stable coins, loyalty points, system credits, or cryptocurrencies. You can also create non-fungible tokens, in-game items, supply chain scenarios, real estate, identity management, etc. There are also restricted fungible tokens and restricted non-fungible tokens that you can create as assets on the Algorand blockchain framework. Well, going back to our slides. To summarize, the assets created on Algorand are extremely fast and secure because of the underlying technology of the Algorand blockchain framework. The issuance of assets on the Algorand blockchain is extremely easy and simple. All the assets that are created on the Algorand blockchain are universally interoperable with each other. So to conclude, Algorand assets, or rather Algorand standard assets on layer 1 are one of the extremely interesting and exciting prospects to explore, especially if you are a startup or an enterprise that is planning to create asset-based blockchain solutions and would like to scale your blockchain solutions with high-level security as well as decentralization built into it. Thank you.